In 1997, a security guard pulled off one of the biggest cash heists in American history. From the inside, David Gant worked at Loomis Fargo in Charlotte. He had access to millions in cash every single day. His former co-worker Kelly Campbell approached him with a plan. Load $17 million into a van, drive to Mexico, disappear forever. On October 4th, Gant walked into his own vault and started filling bags with cash, $17.3 million. He loaded it into a company van and vanished. The plan seemed flawless, but while Gant hid in a rundown Mexican beach town with limited money, his accomplices back home went crazy. Luxury cars, breast implants, expensive parties. The FBI noticed. They tracked the spending sprees and found surveillance footage. Then Gant's own crew tried to have him killed. They hired a hitman to eliminate him, but the assassin was an FBI informant. The inside job that should have been perfect was destroyed by greed and paranoia. Most got lengthy prison sentences. The case inspired the movie Masterminds.